Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GTM series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch the videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how to track link click using Google Tag Manager and send it as a GA4 event. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So we'll be setting up the link click event for this website. Okay, for example, we have links for home page, shop, about, and contact us page. So we're gonna be showing you on this shop page. So if someone clicks on this shop link, then we want to track this using Google Tag Manager and send it as one of our GA4 events. Okay, perfect. So let's do that. So you can see over here, I have already created a Google Tag Manager account and I have set up Google Tag. And in the previous video, I have shown you how to set up a GA4 event using button click. Okay, hopefully you have watched the video. And this is our GA4 property. Okay, so first of all, we need to check whether we have enabled some built-in variables or not. Okay, so in this instance, we need click types of built-in variables like click element, click class, click ID, click target, click URL, and click text. So I have already enabled them because in the previous video I have shown you how to set up button click using these built-in variables. Okay, perfect. Then we need to create a trigger for the all links. Okay, as we want to track link click. So I'm gonna click on new and I'll click on trigger configuration and I'm going to be choosing just links. Okay, so I'll click on save. I'm going to name it as it is, like just links. So I'll click on save. Then we need to preview it first, then we're going to be creating the text. So I'm going to click on the preview button. Then I need to provide the website URL, which is already there. So I'll click on connect. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the shop link. Okay, so let's click on this and let's go to the tag assistant. Then if I scroll down, then you can see uh, an event called link click. So I'm gonna click on it and I'll go to the variable section. Then you can see we have click class, then click element. We don't have any click ID. We have click text and we have click URL. So you can either trigger it using click URL or click text or click class. Okay, so in this instance we are going to be using click URL. Okay, so click URL contains /shop. Okay, this one. So I'm going to be going to the Google Tag Manager and I'll go to the trigger section and I'm going to create a new trigger. Trigger name would be link click shop trigger. Okay, you can name it as per your requirements. Then I'm gonna be choosing just links and some link clicks. Then I'll be choosing click URL contains this one shop. So if I go to this shop page, then we have this unique URL. Okay, so I'll click on save. Then I'm gonna go to the tag section. So I'm gonna be creating a new tag for this event. So it will be a GA4 event. So I'm gonna name it as GA4 event link click shop. I'm gonna choose tag configuration as Google Analytics GA4 event, and we have already created the measurement ID. Which is our constant variable. So I'm gonna choose the constant variable and the event name would be link click shop. Okay, So I'm gonna name it as link underscore click underscore shop. Okay. And we're going to be passing some parameters. So parameters should be click text and click URL. So first parameter would be click underscore text, and we're going to be taking the dynamic value from here. So this is click text, and the next one would be click URL. Okay. So we'll take the click URL variable from here, and as the triggering, we're going to be using this one, link click shop trigger. So I'll click on save, and let's go to the debug section from analytics so that we can see it real time. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to scroll down, and you can see this is the debug view. Okay, perfect. So I'll go to the tag manager, and I'm going to preview this. And this is our website URL. I'm going to hit connect. Then I'll be clicking on this shop link. Okay, and let's see what happens. So I'll go to the tag assistant, and you can see over here GA4 event link click shop. Okay, perfect. So if I click on it, then you can see that these two parameters. Okay, perfect. And the click text parameter value is shop, and click URL is this one. Perfect. Then let's go to the analytics and see whether we have this event or not. So you can see over here link click shop, and if I click on click text, then shop and click URL. So this is our click URL. So everything is working fine. Then I can submit the changes. Okay. So if you want to give the version name and description, you can do it. But for this instance, I'll not be giving any version name and description. Okay, perfect. So we have submitted our changes. Now it will be live on our website. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have understood how to set up uh, link click using Google Tag Manager and send this as a GA4 event. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.